In this video, I'll show you how to search for Australian industry data using the Ibisworld database. So in this example, I'll be looking at the juice industry in Australia. To begin with, from the Ibisworld homepage, you've got two choices. You can type in keywords here, or you can browse via the Australian Industry Reports link here by broad industry area. So to do that, just click the link, and then you can browse by broad industry sector. So in this case, we'd be looking under manufacturing, and you can see there's quite a lot there. You can scroll down to where it might be. In this instance, fruit juice drink manufacturing in Australia. Otherwise, we can just type in the search box here for the keyword juice. And there we go. So it's the first result there, fruit juice manufacturing in Australia. Click the link, that brings up the report. So this is the landing page for the report. Gives us the title and the code of the report, and also when it was published. So this was published in August 2016. Also at the top, I'll point out you can download the whole report as a PDF, print it, or search within the report for particular keywords. The way the report's set out, you navigate by the tabs at the top here. So if you hover the cursor over the tab, it'll give you further chapter links that you can click into there. So this is about this industry, industry at a glance, industry performance, outlook, products and markets, competitive landscape, major companies, operating conditions, and key stats. So from the opening page here, we've got introductory chapters, industry definition, the supply chain, and from here we can link to other reports in the supply industries, key economic drivers, and the demand industries. Also related industries that might be relevant, and related international industries. Links here to major players, so company reports for the major players in the industry, activities, similar industries, and so on. The next tab, the industry at a glance, basically is the report in a nutshell. It gives you key statistics and information here, so revenue, profit, annual growth, so on, key external drivers, the structure, and a brief executive summary. So we'll have a look at some of the other key factors here. So in more detail, it gives you key external drivers and current performance of the industry. And the outlook gives more of a in-depth look at what's to be expected in the future in this industry, the life cycle, and so on. Products and markets gives more detail on the supply chain, links to those reports there. The main products and services involved in the industry, demand determinants, major markets, international trade, so on. Back to the top, competitive landscape, gives you the market share concentration, success factors, cost structure, etc. The major companies, we can link through to the major companies reports here as well, but this gives us a brief rundown of the major companies involved in the industry. And lastly, I'll show you the key statistics. These can be downloaded as an Excel spreadsheet individually or as part of the full report. So we have industry data, annual change, key ratios, and so on. It's historical as well as into the future. So that's Ibisworld.